And this is part 2 on the throttle body installation on my Expedition. And good afternoon. And this is my Jeep. It's an update on my 2008 Ford Expedition. This will be part 2 installation of the throttle body. Hey guys, how you doing? This is my Jeep update on this 2008 Ford Expedition XLT. As you can see, I got my new throttle body here, and this will be part 2 installation of a new throttle body. I've got everything prepared pretty much. I started a couple of days ago, and weather's been real bad, and it's still raining out here. And I was able just to push the vehicle back just a little bit to give me enough space to work in here. Yeah, I'm going to have to do some edit to this video because I'm not, I normally don't do this type of video. It's usually take video, set it down, do something, take another video. I'm trying to show a little more detail on this Hitachi insulation, this throttle body. I did a little research, and these are supposed to be pretty good units, but we'll see. And I may have to do a complete reset. I'm not sure about that yet. They said some, depending on how old your vehicle is or how new it is. Newer vehicles, the computer should reset itself. This is 2008, so I may have to do a full reset. Next clip. Okay, there's 3 connectors that go to this throttle body besides the throttle position sensors attached to the throttle body, but I got 3 other connections. I'm not sure what they are. I got to do a little more research. You see the one with the green tab. There's one with the red tab, and there's that one right there. So I'm going to do a little research. I'm in no hurry, and I'm trying to show a little detail on this because I've never changed out a throttle body. I've worked on my Jeep throttle. I pulled it. It's a simpler. I pulled it, cleaned it, and replaced all the sensors, but they're all external. Some of these are built into the throttle body. And it's got a motor, an electronic motor on it too. So this is more complicated. This unit here is more complicated than a lot of the older throttle bodies are. And I guess that's good, but it could be bad too. My Jeep was easy to work on. But anyway, this is easy, but it's just, it's a little more complicated because of the electronics involved. Out for now. And I'm getting ready to end this video for prep to install this unit. And some other things I got to mention is I purchased a new OBD EX link for ForeScan. Yeah, the connector, you know, you can hook it to an Android phone or your laptop. I'm going to use a laptop. And you got to download and purchase the software. I think you do get a 30-day free trial, but that's, I'm going to use it to check my system when I get all this back together, see if I have any codes, because I haven't seen any, but I might find some with this. This digs deeper into the system. Anyway, I do have some pictures at the end of this video of the unit. And anyway, I'm going to end this now and get it posted. And thank you for dropping in and watching. Please share it with somebody that might be working on something like this. Here comes some pictures of the OBD link I recently bought. You must download Forescan on your computer to use. So long for now, and please come back in my Jeep WJ.